there, Sharon Peterson here with simplycanning.com, where you can find home canning food, tutorials, tips, and advice taught in a way that even a beginner can help get their pantry filled. I have a canning chat for you today. This question comes from Karen, who is in Canada. She asks, hello, I was wondering about canning soups with vegetables. I have found that they can get mushy when being processed for so long. Is it possible to cook just a little and then let them finish cooking while processing? Actually, Karen, that is exactly what you do when you are canning soup with vegetables. So the proper way to do your own soup recipe is you partially cook those vegetables, and I will put a link to the article below with the full directions, but you're only going to partially cook those veggies, and then you combine everything together, you simmer it, and then you put it in your jars and you process it. I am guessing, and I don't know this from your letter, but I've had people ask this question before. They make a soup for supper and they just make an overabundance with the intention of taking those leftovers and canning them. It doesn't work very well because then, like you said, your vegetables are fully cooked already. They're going to get fully cooked again in the canner, and then you are going to end up with pretty soft vegetables. So don't count on canning leftovers. Prepare the food specifically for the canning process. If you've got leftovers, just put them in the freezer and pull them out for a dinner on a later date. But when you're making your vegetable soup, you follow the directions with all of the different, techniques for adapting your recipe to be safe for home canning, then you should have a good product in the end. So I hope that was helpful. You guys have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.